Hi, Lee Phillips here. Question we're going to talk about today is a limited liability company, an LLC, incorporated? The answer is yes and no. We're mixing up terms is what we're doing. The limited liability company, the LLC, is not incorporated. It is registered with the state. And you get a certificate from the state, just like when you file a corporation structure with the state, you get a certificate back from the state saying, yep, you're a corporation. You file articles of incorporation with the state to set up the corporation you incorporate. Or in an LLC, the terminology is not set up articles of incorporation or file articles of incorporation, but you file articles of organization. Or sometimes they call it a certificate of organization. It depends on which state you're in. Yeah, the process is basically identical, and the forms for the corporation and the LLC are almost the same. So, yeah, in a sense, we're incorporating the LLC, but no, we're not incorporating the LLC because we're filing the articles of organization and we're creating an LLC at the state level. Once you've got the state filing and you've paid the fees and all of that stuff, then you need to continue on. In the corporation, you continue on with the bylaws and the organizational meeting and the minutes to the meeting, and you authorize the officers and directors, you elect them, and you appoint the president, and you do all of that stuff. Well, you got to keep going in the LLC as well. Once the state recognizes the LLC filing, we need to now have an operating agreement, same as the bylaws, sort of. And you should probably have the organizational meeting, and you should authorize not the officers, directors, or president, but you should authorize the manager to go down and set up the bank account and do all of this stuff. So we're basically running on parallel paths between the corporation and the LLC, but we're using different terminology. So is an LLC incorporated? Yeah, no. Same process, different terminology.